We just finished an astro shoot in Pinnacles National Park with an overnight camp out. The temperature was 100 degrees, so we went from 100 degrees there to here in Carmel and Big Sur, where the temperature was 60 degrees. What? We recovered at the refuge spa in Carmel, cleaned up, had a nice dinner, and had a good night's sleep. We got up the next day, did a little road trip down to Big Sur, easy photog, and then we drove home. Well, we made it to Monterey, driving south towards Big Sur. It was like 100 degrees at Pinnacles National Park, and now it's like maybe 60 and fog compared to sunny and hot. So nice change. So Lauren, would you say this hike is a little easier than the one that we did at Pinnacles?
I think it was.
Yeah, I know this one is more like a walk,
Yeah.
but that's okay. We gotta let our muscles recover.
Yeah, this is like 200 feet new elevation change.
Yeah.
Pinnacles like 2 miles, 600 feet elevation change.
Yeah, and certainly a lot cooler.
Oh yeah, much cooler.
You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is probably one of the first places where I learned photography, at Rocky Point.
Yep, this is where it all started.
Yeah, south of Carmel, but north of Big Sur, the town, but still considered along the Big Sur coastline.
Yeah.
Big Sur coastline, south of Carmel. This is Disneyland for photographers. And no matter the weather, it's a different scene every time. Sometimes sunny, sometimes foggy, sometimes overcast. And this is interesting today because we're getting some of that fog. It's that summer fog, but forget about doing astrophotography here. Every once in a while, you'll get a clear night in the summer for Milky Way. I've done that just once. Hopefully someday I'll get to do that again. Well, we can head back to the car, drive a little south. I know that they blocked the road down past the town of Big Sur.
Big Sur.
Probably from landslides.
Yep. Yeah, washouts.
is what I call my looking down the line place. If you look down the line, see that line of beach?
Yeah.
And it takes you right to the Point Sur lighthouse area. You can just barely see the lighthouse with the fog, which I don't know why the lighthouse isn't lit up. Just one of my old haunts, one of my favorite spots. This is probably one of the world's most expensive pastures for cattle. Nice trip.
Very nice trip.
And signing off here from Monastery Beach in Monterey.